Pussy.
Oh, 50 years when I get pussy. That a 5 year, 50 years I'm gonna get pussy.
How much year?
50.
So long?
50 years. Pussy war, we don't get pussy. We don't know pussy.
One white girl need to see him.
Yes.
Over a decade he don't get.
Oh man,
Of course.
Then I let me get one. I edit the PMP with me and them about award too, cause them fi let me get man for Derek too. Cause them a get all the man them. Fire with me and them too if me no get a man the week. I call it say next week our election. 2 weeks now from time, election, but me and them, let me not get that, they would them sit there to mash up my brain.
Where you say?
Let me not get that, they sitting there to mash up my brain to watch.
How you want to mash up your brain?
That's what I want. Let me not get the hell and junction or than black. Got blood from blood. I hear them say bloody election, so I bloody man. You want to see that the blood run? When this election blood run, man blood
Go on a
run.
church.
When me I forget to a man.
Go on a church.
Cause if me go to church, I don't know the man, me and them a go war too. Cause see that the goated man, then let me not get man. And I keep people and get man and marry the man fit up in their neck too. That's why I no go to church. There's someone go to church where they can't tell me about man. One church where me no know and go there and they tell me about man and living. All if it a kick you down and a beat you, take the beat and you go along. So it have to go work. See so it have to work and no tap. No sun tap. The man and watch your donkey them, so you have to go with bad news them. One guy.
Yo, remember break. Remember break that. Yo, after 2 quarters, what's sick lad? He who that dwell in the secret place of the Most High shall abide in the shadow of the my Almighty. I will say the Lord is my refuge and my fortress. In the Lord him in will I trust. I will put my trust. Alright. He shall cover me under his wing and he shall trust. Blood clot, shield and buckler. You ever hear about shield and buckler?
Rate your fuck. A powerful youth, listen man.
All your shock star man, you know say look at girl them a feelings are conscious. You know say feelings are emotional damage me use all them. In shock star. Feel me put dog wear clothes, me groom them blood clot from dog to woman. Make some get pussy out of them and no one children and grandchildren.
Ooh.
So we are talking.
What get them?
Who that?
Oh, you mean? Then if
Who that?
they were me there. Other man no must have fucked them.
Jesus Christ.
Other man
Bunny.
have fucked them and you know say a dog them a come from. Because I mean clean off them ear off of them and then something there. And make them can walk
Bunny.
on 2 foot.
Bunny, you know you're
We
fucking mad.
We make call blood clot when them call it crinoline.
One year,
We
sir.
then stiffen them waist.
What the
And walk
pussy clot
straight
is.
instead
Bunny.
of on 2 blood clot foot and
Bunny,
1.
this can't get no
You
worse.
don't have no blood clot sense because you never do it yet.
You know no sense.
You
You're
never do it.
fucking
You never
mad.
do it yet. You ever
Nobody-
make blood clot dog walk on 2 foot and 2
Bunny.
Me ask you a question answer me bumbo clot because me do it. And me can say yes. Me make blood clot dog walk on 2 foot and 2
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm the first one, I tell you, yeah. Say, get up in your mind. Look in my point, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't need fuck on it, yeah. And let that road go past, right? Let that road pass, right? You want it? Come on, I want the last one. Look that, I said, oh, man. Look the blood clot, man. What's this, John? I can move from the man. Yes, my father. This is the junior hala. Woman, I found out. Son, tell him that you are blood clot here. I want the blood clot here. Because then I will free your blood clot around here. Right.
I don't want to come here to go through.
I don't know someone to prove it.
I don't want to come here to
How come you don't get your done? No, don't tell your sister. Yeah, so the blood clot will put down the fight.
I don't use these.
Here, five more.
I don't use these.
Here, five. Okay.
No, you're not good boy.
Yeah, I love Jamaica. This is a real Jamaican. I don't want no black girl. I want a white girl. I saw the flag that you see woman want. Jamaican love white girl. Show them a basketball court. Yeah. Show them a flag pan over there, so. Show them see a car.
Rasta, yes, I jerk pork.
Jerk pork, you know.
Rasta! I have that jerk pork, Rasta!
Hold on, video.
Hold on, I'm cool, Tyro. Somebody never got it. Yeah, man. I'm video him, That's how much you put.
Yeah. Yeah, I did. I pork steak. How much you eat again?
How much a pound for your pork, Rasta?
My dog has a link on the pork, man. Next,
How much a pound for your pork?
2,800.
2,800. Me a circle, yeah? It's soon done or done already?
Done already.
Me a circle, yeah.
Yeah, man.
I go for your money, though.
yeah, breadfruit I you already said we.
Breadfruit not coming.
2,800.
So yeah.
That's not bad. I hold it that though.
I will eat my pork.
Alright, let's see a word.
Yeah, man. Go on and
So-
come. We left one nice piece here.
Yeah, man, if you nicest piece in the Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Nicest piece of